Hello, everybody. So, I decided recently, because I watch a lot of these types of videos on the internet, or on YouTube, I decided, let's do science stuff, because I'm interested in that. When I originally made this channel, I intended it to be like gaming and crap. Probably won't do that anymore. Maybe I will. I'll probably do it eventually when I get the time. But science for now. And where are we going to start? The good old realm of biology, which I just got out of. And yes, I'm wearing my work uniform because I just got off work. So I'm going to be loopy for the rest of this. Woo! Alright, so we are starting with biology. So let me write that. My handwriting's terrible. Biology. The study of life. You can't see the whiteboard, I can tell, but I can. So that's the fun part. You just have to listen to what I say. So, it's the study of life, because bios means life. I'm pretty sure it's Greek. And then logos is a word, and it means the study of. So, bio, life, logy, logy, logos. Bios logos, the study of life. That's a thing. Alright, so, characteristics of a living thing. We're gonna put it as care. Live. That says I've. We're rolling with it, okay? I have like 2 brain cells this night, tonight. It's like 10. I don't know anymore. So, what does it have to be considered alive? Movement. Now you might be asking me, Aiden, what does movement mean? That's not how it's spelled. Don't at me about my spelling. It's atrocious. Movement meaning things moving throughout the body. So like blood. Your blood moving through your body. That counts you as alive. Keep that noted. Transport of materials, such as I just said, blood. I'm going off of notes that I took in biology class. Next one, exhibits growth. Such as this, any part of you grows. I was 5'3", now I'm 5'5". That was because of a surgery, though. I'm not sure if that counts, but we'll just say it's like a little sapling turns into a big tree. Growth. That counts it as alive. Next. Oh yeah, it also includes repair. So like you cut yourself accidentally. Oops. A week later. Oh, all better. You know? That's how it works. Next one, reproduces. It's where the organism occasionally does the funny sex thing. So, reproduces. A lot of organisms that we're going to be talking about reproduce in a manner known as asexually. You might be asking me, because apparently you're a complete freaking moron, what does that mean? It means it takes one. And it kind of just clones itself. Snakes can do that. Look it up. It's freaking awesome. It's really cool. Snakes can just do that. Cells do it. Bacteria. Flatworms, I think. Technically, if you cut some of them in half, they'll produce another one. So technically, I guess that counts, but whatever. Next! The frick does this say? Oh! Comes from pre-existing life! My handwriting's atrocious, like I said, so my notes are kind of just all over the place. So, what does this mean exactly? Well, numbskull, apparently if you can't catch a hint, it means that it came from something that was alive. So, in this instance, you, regrettably being born from your mother, Mr. Incel watching the video. I'm just calling you out if you are one. If you aren't one, congratulations. You made it. You probably want to die like me. Now! Next thing, asimilar chemical makeup. That means that They're all made from the same elements, such as carbon. What is carbon? Everything! Everything is made of carbon. That's... If you're going to take away anything from this video in particular, everything is made of carbon. Just carbon. Remember that word. Carbon. It's everything. It's in everything. Next, made of cells. Or monocellular. Meaning one cell. So, just carbon made of cells. Made of cells. Meaning it's got cells in it. So like your skin cells, hair cells, your tongue, eyes, everything on you is made of cells. The bed behind me is made of cells. The fan that my phone is sitting on is made of cells. Granted, it's not alive. But, you know, those things aren't alive. I'm alive. You're alive, hopefully. If you're watching this and you're not alive, that's concerning. Exhibits irritability. I said that right. Irritability. What does that mean? That means, my fine friend, means that it reacts to its environment. So, like, you know, you touch poison ivy, your body reacts. Stuff like that. Hear a loud noise, you jump. Things of that nature. I might be wrong on that last one. I'm not a biology major yet. Next. Requires energy. I'm going to have to erase things now. So if for some reason you can see this, screenshot it, because you're going to need this on your biology test at the end of the week. Probably. I'm assuming you're watching this video because you need notes. Just gotta erase my board like I'm your freaking biology teacher now. I had an amazing biology teacher, by the way. That's why my notes are good. Well, I noted them down to the best of my capabilities, but she wrote them amazingly. So that's why I have a firm understanding of what I'm talking about for the most part. Yeah. So what did I just say? Requires energy. Such as food. You know, food. That thing you get at the grocery store that you sadly have to do. You sadly need. If we didn't need food, we'd all be saving money. Next, high level of organization. What does that mean, you might ask? Well, cells all around the body are dedicated to a specific purpose inside the body. Such as your skin cells are not going to act as like a stomach lining cell, because that'd be weird. Why would you have skin on the mucus in the mucous membranes around your stomach? You might be asking, you have a mucous membrane around your stomach? We'll get to there when we get there. Don't rush the process. But yes, skin cells are skin cells, stomach cells, stomach cells. Cells are dedicated to their specific tasks, and they aren't repurposed. They just die. Faces, death. Death. You know, that scary thing that we all dread one day because we see something die and then we're hit with our own mortality for a little bit of time. We're like, oh crap, I'm gonna die. That's that. You know the deer you hit with your Ford F-150 tooling down 172 down the freaking back roads? That deer faced death because you hit it. Monster. Now that we've gone through the basic stuff of what biology is, we're now going to be hitting things about specific things in biology. This video's been running on 9 minutes now, so I'm probably just going to end it here. I have given you the basics of biology with the person who just got out of biology. Call me an amateur scientist at this point, because I'm on a roll, I guess. I'm not. But, yeah, I'm going to make more of these things, because it's fun for me. If you don't like it, suck it. This is fun for me. I gave you the basics of biology. Again, take notes! You need this. Probably. Unless you're watching this for fun. In which case, do something else with your life.